is merong existing line item doon po sa Office of the Vice President. At maliwanag po, ang existing line item doon po sa Office of the Vice President 2022 GAA, which is the Good Governance in Tulungan and DepEd. So having said that, big crisis, we cannot waste funds, we cannot waste time. I think those are the two things. So, nakakalungkot na pagdating sa COA report, mainit na issue is of course confidential and intelligence funds. Sa ngayon po, of course, na-announce na po ni Chairman Saldico ang pag-scrap po na. With due respect, you are not allowed to do that, Madam Vice President. You are... Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Yesterday, the Committee on Appropriations decided to recommend a reduced budget for the Office of the Vice President.
Kimbo also joins us in the show. A lawmaker is pushing for a national unemployment insurance program. It aims to provide aid to displaced workers for 3 months. But who will shoulder the cost, and will this hurdle Congress? Let's go straight to the source of the story, Marikina City 2nd District Representative Stella Kimbo. Congresswoman, it's good to see you again. Welcome back to the source.
Good morning, Becky.
So I read the article on this, and it was quite interesting. This was obviously born out of what happened during the pandemic, wherein millions either lost their jobs or had to take in a fraction of their salary because of, well, the issues hounding the pandemic. What was the driving force aside from the
Speaker.
Now, Madam Speaker, ayon sa JC Joint Circular, kinakailangang magbigay ang OVP ng kopya ng kanilang accomplishment report. 'Di ba? Sa